Hi, Andy Skinner here again with another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be using the blowing bubble stamp, and we're going to have a bit of fun with this one. We're going to be doing some ink splats, and for this I think we'll use the blowing bubbles stamp on this one, and we're going to be using 3 colours from the Cosmic Shimmer Water-Based Inks. These are the Art Pop colours, so you've got hot magenta, golden green, and turquoise blue. So again, we will pop down to the desktop and I will show you how we do it. Okay, so these are finger sponges, and I've marked each one of mine with the colour of the ink that I'm going to use it with. That way they don't get contaminated. So just pop these out. There we go, so 4 colours, last one. Now, I've put the inks into this palette, and they're a mixture of 50-50. It's what I've used in the misters. So I've mixed the ink, 50% water, 50% ink. Okay, and this is the turquoise blue. There, we can see that in the palette. Okay, let's pop this out of the way so it doesn't get covered in ink. Move these to the side. Right, so I'm going to start with a turquoise blue, and you just want to soak up the ink. Remember, we got 50% water with this. Get it nice and wet, and there we go. Just spat that down onto the card. Okay, next colour we go for the golden green. So it's trying to work out where you're going to place them. Okay, so I'm trying not to get 2 colours close to each other, so I want them far apart. So hot magenta. And another one. Okay, and finally, we should pick up the marigold. There. And I think one top corner. Okay. Actually, I think we need a couple more. Yep. And maybe another hot magenta just in the top left. That's better. Because I want to leave some white space in the center for the stamps. Okay, we'll move that away and let that dry. Okay, we'll try another one now on the mixed media card again. And this, I'm just going to put a few on this. Down there. Leave a lot of white space for the stamping on this one. Now the magenta. I love it when the colours mix in like this. Golden green. That's it. So we got lots of white space on the tag that I can stamp into. Just as an idea, I'm going to just use these finger sponges without spatting. Okay, and just using very little ink to try and create maybe a kind of a bubble effect in the background as we're going to be putting the blow bubble stamp over the top. So it's got a mix of turquoise here. There's a little bit of golden green in it. Okay, just gently pressing the sponge down. And I think I'll do the second one, and I won't add any more ink to the sponge. Make it a bit more delicate. Okay. Yeah, I think this is going to work. So I could do this in more colours, but just an experiment. We just tried this this one colour, well, the two colours mixed, the golden green and the turquoise blue. And not putting any more ink on that sponge. And I think because these colours are so light, it will stamp over really nice. So once this is dry, we'll stamp over and see how it looks. Okay, so our tags are now dry. I'll just give you a bit of a closer look. And remember, these colours are watered with 50% water. So if you did this neat, they'd be very, very powerful. Because we're going to stamp on it. Yeah, I love when the colours blend in together like this. We got the hot magenta and the marigold there blend in, and the turquoise and the magenta there, kind of making a purple in between the colours. Right, decisions. We'll stamp this one first. So just line it up there in the corner, place my magnets on. There we go. I want to go for all 4 magnets. Move that one across in the corner. Just make sure it's nice and flat. There we go. I'm just going to grab the stamp. So this is the blowing bubble stamp. I'm just going to line this up. Just about there. Yep, then in sentiment, I'm going to run up the side. Just make sure you got it the right way round. That looks good. Okay, time to put the top part of the platform on. Bring it down. Apply a little bit of pressure to the stamp. Now we can lift it up. And just double check your stamp. Make sure it's aligned properly. The sentiment just a tad out. That's better. Okay, pop it back on. And now I'm going to use some black archival ink. Okay. So just move this slightly over. And then that's it. Just ink up your stamp. Say my pad's nice and juicy. So I don't need to pat it too hard. Okay, bring that down. Now remember, we're stamping on the mixed media card, which has a texture to it. So we might have to go a couple of times. We'll see. I'll give it a second stamp on the grass area at the bottom. I'm just going to remove the sentiment. I don't want the sentiment to come out perfectly, so I don't need to put any more ink on that. Okay, final stamp. Oh yes, perfect. Okay, remove the magnets. Let's have a closer look. Perfect, love it. You know, if the ink would have been full strength, it would have been too overpowering for the stamp. Okay, so I cleared this away and we'll stamp the subtle one, the subtle bubbles next. So I got my stamp here already aligned. So close down the top panel of the stamping platform, push down, pick up the stamp. I'm just going to remove it this time, place it in the middle here. And again, black archival ink. And I'm going to ink the stamp up very well this time. Just see if we can stamp with one pass. I think that's enough. Okay, here goes. Okay, I'm going to push down quite firmly this time. And release. Perfect. Yep, there's no need for a second pass on this. That's stamped perfectly. I actually think that's worked. I really like those subtle bubbles in the background. Love it. So here's the finished tags. I've put some silk ribbon on them. I just hold it up so you can get a better look. The next come out really well. Now, we've used the blowing bubbles stamp for this, so this is one of the new stamps in the release. Okay, and if you notice the colours, so as I mentioned earlier, 3 of the colours were in this pack. The pack's called Art Pop. Okay, and I also used the marigold. Okay, so this is separate from the pack, but that's the 4th colour that I used here. So I think these are really good start packs. Okay, I'm going to show you the next one, which is the one that we did without splatting. So very little ink in the sponge. I think that's come out really well. Kind of delicate bubbles in the background. And then this one, we left a lot of white space. So it gave more room for the stamp to show. And I just thought I'd show you this one. This one uses different colours. Okay, and if you look in the background here, I've used a stamp called Typology. Okay, this is Typology. It's one of the re-releases. And next, and it's a very versatile stamp to go in backgrounds and things like that. Now, the colours in this are also in a 3-pack. Okay, this is called Elemental. Contains French mustard, cold steel, and olive green. And then we have this tag below. This also uses colours from the Elemental pack. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I certainly have enjoyed doing this one, and I will see you in the next one.